Assalamu alaikum. This is a little bit conversation with my teacher, Miss Nancy. Let's
My
start.
name is Nancy. Can you tell me your full name, please?
My name is Mohd Rubiul Islam, but you can call me Rubiul.
And can you tell me where you're from?
I live with my parents in Dhaka, the capital of Bangladesh.
Now, in this first part, I'd like to ask you some questions about yourself. Let's talk about what you do. Do you work, or are you a student?
Yeah, I am still a student, although I have completed my academic study, but I am continuing my study on different courses to develop my skills so that I get a well-paid job.
Let's talk about clothes. What do you like to wear when you're at home?
I prefer wearing comfortable clothes when I am not going out. My favorite clothes are t-shirt and pants. In the hot weather, I prefer our traditional dress, lungi. It's amazing.
What do people in your country like to wear to parties?
In our country, there is no fixed dress code. It's a matter of personal style and preferences. But many people consider clothing as a social and economic position indicator, so they prefer fancy dresses for a special occasion.
Do you like to try different kinds of fashion? Why?
I obviously do like to try different kinds of fashion in different situations. It's my pleasure matching my dress in the need of environment.
Let's move on to talk about good manners. Is it important to be polite in your country?
I think politeness is crucial in every culture, and Bangladesh is not exceptional. I think nobody would want to talk to or to work with someone who adopts bad manners. We don't like them.
How do children learn good manners?
Children learn around their environment, but I think teachers and parents can play a vital role in this regard. Parents in a family are a good teacher of politeness for a child. Educational institutions also play an important role. That's it.
Who do you think is usually more polite, older or younger people? Why?
Older or younger people, both can be polite or not. It is not the matter of age, but older people will be more polite naturally because they are experienced person. Thank you so much for watching this video. To practice English conversation and to practice English, please join our group. Our group name is Discover English Speaking Skills. Thank you so much. See you. ধৈর্য সহকারে সম্পূর্ণ ভিডিওটি দেখার জন্য আপনাদেরকে অসংখ্য ধন্যবাদ। আপনারা অবশ্যই আমাদের চ্যানেলটি সাবস্ক্রাইব করে নেবেন এবং একই সাথে লাইক, কমেন্ট এবং শেয়ার করে আমাদেরকে সাপোর্ট করবেন। আমরা যেন নেক্সট আর ভালো ভালো অ্যাডভান্স লেভেলের ভিডিও নিয়ে আসতে পারি। ততক্ষণ পর্যন্ত আপনারা সবাই ভালো থাকেন, সুস্থ থাকেন। আল্লাহ হাফেজ।